There are 1,763 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria, all locally acquired. That means we currently have some 14,368 active cases across the state. I regret to report that 4 Victorians have lost their lives with Covid-19. A man in his 80s from Whittlesea, a woman in her 70s from Hume, a man in his 60s from Whitehorse, and a woman in her 60s from Banyule. We extend our deepest sympathies and our condolences to the friends and family of those 4 Victorians. This will be a very challenging and difficult time for them. 517 people are currently in hospital with Covid-19. 101 of those are in intensive care and 66 are on a ventilator. Of the people in hospital yesterday, 66% were unvaccinated. 28% had 1 dose, just 6% were fully vaccinated. Again, the numbers tell the clearest of stories. If you are vaccinated, your likelihood of being gravely ill, your likelihood of finishing up in hospital is massively reduced. As we move to 70% double dose and open up, lockdown ends, we normalise this, it is going to run very rapidly through the unvaccinated part of our Victorian community, and those people who are unvaccinated will be at a much increased risk of finishing up very, very unwell. So again, there's every reason to go and get vaccinated and to book an appointment today. There were 62,189 tests processed overnight. We got those results overnight, and we thank each and every one of those more than 62,000 Victorians who went and got tested, prompted by their symptoms, acting on their symptoms. That's so important in terms of our contact tracing. There were some 35,253 vaccines administered in state hubs, and then of course thousands additional in our GP network and in community pharmacy. And we thank everybody who's gone along and received either a first or a second dose. That's how we get to 70% double dose and 80% double dose faster than we otherwise would, and it's how we take some pressure off the health system, and it's how we keep you and your loved ones safe. Please book an appointment today. Nothing is more important than getting vaccinated against this virus. 83.2% of those over 16 have now received the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. 53% have now received a second dose. So those numbers continue to steadily climb, and we're very grateful to everybody who's playing their part as we look to get as many Victorians vaccinated as possible.